Okay, hi everyone. It's Paola. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little vlog of like the last week and a half. Just recorded a lot of different clips, a little bit about my life, what I've been working on, what I've been doing, some exciting things like the live I was part of. I just wanted to record what was going on lately and yeah, it's fun. Okay, so enjoy this little vlog and follow me on Instagram. Okay. Okay, so my week started off basically in the middle of the week with editing, emailing, the things I need to do to keep this channel running, to keep my business running as a creative freelancer. So basically a lot of little tasks. I had a call with a potential client that I was waiting for, and it fell through. So I was gonna film it, but that's the nature of the job, whatever. Fell through, but I decided to distract myself by playing the new Animal Crossing update, which I'm obsessed with. The next day we went to CVS, my husband and I, to get our third dose, like booster, and we were really excited, but we immediately got a fever for like 2 days and was really sick. So here's me being sick and sad. But after some rest and watching Gilmore Girls on repeat, I was finally back to my routine. Felt way better. So I was back on my workout routine, which I'm doing that 12-3-30 thing lately, and yoga and stuff, so it's fun. And then I scheduled myself, did my little weekly agenda for Notion that I love, and started planning my talk that I did a live for. So I put together my presentation for that and like wrote down all my notes and came up with all my ideas of what I wanted to talk about, because it was an hour-long live with a university, and I'll link that below actually. The live is still up from YouTube. Hopefully some of you guys tuned in. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really fun. I wanted to show some of the projects I was doing for the presentation, so I brought in some like inspiration photos just to talk about like brand design and inspiration and social media. This is some lettering that I've done that I've never really shared, so I thought I would share it here because it was in the live, so definitely go check that out and watch. But yeah, I went through like my whole process and a lot of different projects I've worked on recently, stuff I've made for YouTube and why I made it, and yeah, we just talked and it was a great conversation. So then the next day, or a few days later, I don't even remember, but basically I decided to get myself together. So here's a little montage of me in the day, getting my life together a little bit. I know you guys never see me do like makeup or anything. I'm not a beauty channel, but here I am just putting myself together for the day, what I do just to feel a little bit better, especially lately. And then after a little bit of a lunch, I decided to get started on my project for the day, which was repainting this frame that's on my wall. I know it's white, but it is originally green and it was really cheap, so I just want to repaint it and touch it up. So I repainted like the front and back just so that there's no more green on it. So taking it to the garage and getting bundled up because it was cold. I don't have spray paint or anything, and there's the glass part is still on the front, like the plexiglass, so I kind of had to be careful and just paint away, but it was a really cathartic project, just doing something like outside of graphic design, and I needed to get it done for my room just to update myself and not have like green splotchy frame. But it's really cheap, so I wanted to keep it because it's like such a good deal. I found it at the thrift store. It's the perfect size for my poster, so a fun little art project, painting instead of graphic design, which is something different for me, of course, even if it's practical. And then the next day I did my live. So this was very nerve-wracking, but it ended up being totally fine and it was so fun. So yeah, definitely go check it out. And then the last thing I did for the week was put together some pictures of my work that I need to send over to somebody for a future thing. So put that together and it actually turned out great. Okay, so I thought I would clean my closet out today. I've been looking forward to this, honestly. Cleaning out basically my entire wardrobe. I'm being brutal and I'm cutting out everything because this is for the move, the big move that I have yet to reveal. So I'm going to go through my closet. Some of the stuff's my husband's. We're sharing a little closet right now. But yeah, I have just kind of clothes everywhere, and I don't have that many clothes, but like I really want to cut down on a lot. So I'm just gonna get rid of all the old stuff, that I don't want in my life anymore, that don't fit my new vibe, and like old t-shirts and stuff, old sweatshirts, things that I just don't need. Like, I'm really gonna pare down, kind of be like a minimalist, but not a minimalist. So yeah, let's just do that. Okay, I pulled you in closer, but also some of the stuff that I want to get rid of, I also kind of like need before I move, because a lot of like my old like t-shirts and sweatshirts, like I just said, I want to keep while I'm here, and then I'm not gonna need them when I move. So just gonna start fresh when I move. So it's kind of gonna be like one pile for donating, one pile for what I'm keeping for now, but not taking with me on my move, and then one pile for obviously keep. Not a pile, I'll keep them in the closet. Never gonna wear it. Literally, no. It looks cool, but then it's not cool on me. No more jean jackets. I want to like this little stupid Princess Polly top, but it's horrible quality, and I learned my lesson from buying from this type of brands. Never again. Hey, comments, can you let me know if this is a cool top or not? Please, help. I don't know what to do with this one. It's got like little colorful stripes. Hot or not, tell me. Okay, so this is the horrible back of my closet that has all my jeans and sweatshirts and stuff, so I'm just gonna pull everything out and just start deciding. Okay, and I have filled an entire basket overflowing. That's basically everything now. I did it. Feeling very accomplished. I think I just had in my mind what I was gonna do. Like, I knew what to get rid of, so here we are, very quick. Okay everyone, and that is the vlog I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel. Please comment what you want to see in future videos. I'm needing a little bit more inspiration lately, so definitely something that you are needing, any help, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye! You're in the shot. You're gonna stand there.